Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on this look right here. It's a very simple spring type of look since it is April. It's really simple to do actually. It's literally two colors and it's it's orange, but it's really just blending the colors. It's just really focusing on blending and not too much about different colors. So it's really good if you don't have a ton of colors. I've used the Morphe 35O and Morphe 35B palette, and I know they don't make the 35B palette anymore. I'm pretty sure they still make the 35O, but they have similar shades and you can really just use any orangish type of shade. So you don't have to use the exact shadows that I use. You can just use whatever you have. I actually really like how this looks because it's very fresh and it just looks like spring. And I really like it, and it's not super bold. It's just a very simple spring look. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's just get into this look.
Okay, first I'm going into the Makeup Revolution concealer and using a Real Techniques beauty blender. I'm just using this concealer to prime my eyes for eyeshadow. I'm then going to go into the Morphe 35B palette using this white shade and a flat brush and just putting this on to prime my eyes. Now taking the Morphe 35O palette and going into this shade using a fluffy crease brush, and I'm just blending this all over the crease and just bringing it down. This is going everywhere, and it's just going to be a transition shade kind of. Okay, now going back into the 35B palette, I'm taking these two orange shades using just a flatter, fluffy crease brush and blending this all over. These are going to be the main shades. You don't have to use the exact same shades, just use whatever orange shades you guys have. Going back into the 35O palette using this warmer, darker orange, I'm going in with a more precise crease brush and just using this to deepen the crease. I'm taking this kind of whiter shade and just putting this on my lid. With this darker gray color, you can use a black, but I just use this gray. I'm using a angled liner brush and just kind of using this as eyeliner and kind of winging it out. And then I'm going to go into a Morphe pencil brush and blend this all out. I'm going into the Milani Foundation and I'm just blending this all out with the Real Techniques Beauty Blender. I did a foundation review on this foundation and it should be up soon, but I really like this foundation. Now going into the Makeup Revolution concealer again and just putting this under my eyes, forehead, chin, and yeah. The Lottie London translucent powder and I'm using a Morphe brush to set it under my eyes and around my nose just because it's a lot denser and it's like easier to use, and then I just go into the beauty blender again and just use that to put the powder on just because I like it. I'm now taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is a Real Techniques multitask face brush, and just bronzing my face with this. I'm taking this TheBalm blush in full swing, and I'm just using a blush brush to apply this. I think this is a Luxie brush actually. To highlight my face, I'm going into this Melt highlighter and Stargazer. I really love this highlighter, and I'm just applying this to my face with a fluffy, this is actually a contouring brush, but I like it for highlighter. I'm just highlighting the top of my cheeks, nose, and then Cupid's bow, and then I do the forehead, so. I'm now taking the Beauty Blender again and just kind of blending everything out just so there's no harsh lines and it looks good. Now taking a flat shader brush, and I'm just using this highlighter to highlight my brow bones and my inner corners. I then wanted to go in with a small pencil brush and try to get more of a highlight, so I did that. And then I am curling my lashes. And I forgot to do the lower lash line, so I'm going into the Morphe 35O palette with this dark orange shade, and with a smaller kind of fluffy crease brush, I'm going in and just kind of blending all this out on my lower lash line, kind of like you would for a smoky eye. I decided that I wanted a more highlight on my inner corner, so I'm going into the Colourpop Supershock shadow in Tassel and using that pencil brush again and just applying this to my inner corners. I'm now going into mascara. This is the BH Cosmetics Bliss mascara, I think. Everything will be down below in the description, so just look to see what the name is, but I'm applying this on my lower lash line and my top lashes, of course.
Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you guys like this look, I guess. I really like this look. I said it in the intro, but I actually really like this look. I really like how this look turned out just because it's really simple and it's a really fresh look. Perfect for spring and just kind of when you don't have a ton of time. but you still like want eyeshadow, which if we don't have a ton of time, why are we spending time doing eyeshadow? And it's really simple, like literally just all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to know the products that I used, it will be written down in the description, just so you don't have to go back and look through this video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!